customer service people.
I wasn't recording that.
Oh. That's failure
On my
again.
part. So what happened? Kenny had a break.
Trying to bar the wheel on. The wheels smacked the plastic. It's just a brittle piece of plastic that goes in there.
Okay.
Holds the gear oil, this shit.
Right.
It's real stinky.
Gotcha.
You don't want to get it on you or on your clothes.
Right. So how many times have you done this in your life, Kenny?
I've broken about 3.
About 3 in 25 years?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not too shabby.
I apologize. I was looking at the tire. Not even
Yep, I've broken
not even at the right spot, you know?
It's a metal, steel, or iron, aluminum wheel going against plastic, and it's cold outside.
Right.
So. Cool. There we go. There's the plastic. This is a piece of plastic there.
Yeah, like we said before, you come to L's, you get a polish end now.
A rim job.
Yeah, new rims. See, in the sun, it feels warm. Oh, by the way, it's oh, you're gonna see that. Never mind.
It's all the bearings and shit. Spins the wheel.
All right.
I gotta go find the gear over there.
Let me hey.
Huh? You gotta wait for the new part.